Hello. I wanted to introduce you to a very important and special man. This right here is Mr. Marshmallow Man. He's going to help us better understand physical and chemical changes, which is what we've been talking about last week and this week. So, remind me, what kind of evidence should we look for to see a chemical change? There's a couple different things. We could ask ourselves, is it reversible? Can we get this thing back into what it was when we started? We ask ourselves, was a new substance created? Or is it the same substance still, just changed a little bit? To look for a chemical change, we would look at our notes. Cool guys love their phones. I showed you several different ways you can find that piece of paper. If you need to, you can go back to your other assignments and check that out, but it is under the Files tab. The cool of cool guys love your phones is for unexpected color change. The G for cool guys or gals love their phones is for gas being released, either bubbles or foam, anything like that. You see gas is being released, you have a chemical change. The cool guys love, the L for cool guys love their phones, is light being released. So is light being given off in some way or another? Cool guys love there. The T for cool guys love their phones is for a temperature change. Okay, and then the P for phone and cool guys or gals love their phones is for a precipitate being formed. So that is simply if you have two liquids and you mix them together and they make a solid, that's what a precipitate is. Okay, so Mr. Marshmallow Man is going to help us identify a physical or chemical change. We're going to tell a story about him, and then you'll watch these videos underneath and then tell me what you think is happening, okay? The first thing I'm going to have you do in this form is to give me a description of Mr. Marshmallow Man. What do you see about him? What are some things that you notice about Marshmallow Man? So I'm going to squish him right here. I know you can't feel him, but I bet that you have squeezed a marshmallow a time or two in your life. You kind of know what they feel like, but if you don't, you can see right here what they feel like, okay? So when you're done watching this video, answer the questions below about a description of Mr. Marshmallow Man.